Alright, folks, let's dive into the Cougar CFV235 Vision case. This thing is a wild ride, and I'm here to break it down for you. First things first, it's got a unique design with a two-part chamber setup, which is a bold move in the PC case market. The CFV235 comes in a bunch of different configurations, each with its own twist. You've got the glass front, the mesh front, and then the Vision version with a display on the side. Each one's a bit of a wild card, and that's what makes it interesting. The Vision model, in particular, is a real head-turner with its 462x1, 920-pixel digital display. But let's not get too caught up in the aesthetics. It's all about the performance, right? Well, let's see how it stacks up. One of the standout features is the airflow design. Cougar's gone all in with an air gap between the motherboard and power supply chambers, which is a clever way to keep things cool. But here's the catch. It adds some extra length to your power supply cables, which can be a pain if you're not prepared for it. The case also comes with a bunch of accessories, like ARGB lighting strips and reflective mats, which is a nice touch. Building the case is straightforward, but you'll need to be careful with the cables and the display panel. Now, on to the performance. The CFV235 Vision is a solid performer, but it's not without its quirks. It ties for 4th place in CPU temperature and 3rd in VRMOS and GPU temperatures. That's decent, but it's not the coolest case out there. The lack of fans in the height Y70 Touch Infinity, another LCD panel case, gives it an edge in thermal performance. However, the CFV235 makes up for it in terms of noise, being the 3rd quietest in the comparison. In my opinion, the CFV235 Vision is a solid choice for those who want something unique and functional. It's got a cool design, decent performance, and a bunch of customization options. But it's not without its challenges, like the extra cable length and the need for the Cougar LCD Editor to fully utilize the display. So, if you're in the market for a case that stands out, this one's definitely worth a look. But remember, it's all about finding the right balance between form and function.